Hey Sarah, come out and have a look at this.
You've been gold penning.
Yep.
You didn't gold pen all the muck from the sink, did you?
Yep.
You did.
And look!
Now, we're not allowed to go out prospecting, but that doesn't mean we can't find gold.
Sarah was cleaning up some of the tubs that we had the honey in with all the comb and stuff, and she used hot water to do it. And as a result, she not only cleaned the honey off the tubs, but also the wax. Unfortunately, the wax has gone down the sink, it's solidified, and we've now got a blocked up sink.
No, I apologise for the jumpy camera work and the microphone sounds. 𝗏𝗏𝗏, who was operating the camera, will apologise later, but please, bear with us. Bear with us.
So what I'm going to do is I've got a hose here, clear hose. I'm going to try and siphon as much of the water out of the sink as possible and then disconnect the pipework and see if I can clear the blockage. I'm going to try and get it actually through the grate. Right. I'm going to see if I can find a narrower, thinner hose.
Yeah.
I want something that will go through the grate. It would help if all this was a little bit organised.
Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah, shut up.
You're telling us to be organized.
Next you'll be telling me to clean my room up. I found some.
That is tiny.
Yes, which means it's going to be quite slow.
I think most of what's making that black is your coffee bit.
Yeah, it is, but it's because we emptied the coffee pot without realising. This is going to be risky because I can't see the water coming up the hose. So I don't know when it's going to get to the end.
Did you get some in?
Oh.
Show me the face again to the camera.
Oh, I got a whole thing of coffee grounds up my mouth.
I thought you'd be used to having coffee in your mouth by now.
It's not coffee. Look at it. See, it's all great big tubes of it.
Oh, yuck. That is
exactly.
Disgusting. Ugh.
There we go. I'll just use the fork to hold it down. Right, let's get the other one flowing. Since you're here, Alan, can you hold that?
Did you?
Just get the last of that water through with the big hose. There it is there. Oh no, I lifted up the... Oh!
You're going to have to do the little one again.
I don't want to do the little one again. I'm going to get coffee grounds in my mouth.
But you have to.
You know who should have to?
Who?
Your mum.
We all know folks go.
Don't you dare start singing that song on me.
La-da-da-da.
Sarah should be the one sucking on this, because then she could learn never to pour hot wax down a sink again. Oh, that is gross in so many levels.
Drip, drop, drip.
Hopefully that extra flow will just help clear it a bit better. Now that's only a 4mm hose. It's a very small fall. It's going to take a while to even clear a couple of litres, so I think we'll just leave that and come back when it's done.
Does Mum know you're doing the sink pump?
Fixing the mess she made.
Does she know
Yes, she knows I'm fixing the mess she made.
She should be doing this.
Hey Sarah! So 𝗏𝗏𝗏 just raised an excellent point.
Oh, yes?
You made this mess, so you should be the one cleaning it up.
You really want me to attempt?
Now, that's just one of the reasons why Mum's not doing this, because no, I don't want her to attempt to clean this up. The other reason is because we're a married couple, we're a team. Now, it's not my fault that Sarah, Mum, blocked this up, but we're a team, so it is my responsibility. It's also my problem. Hang on, am I doing this the right way?
Probably not.
Excuse you!
All my drink bottles have been as well.
Oh, hang on. I was doing it the wrong way.
Told you.
This thread's on this piece, not this piece. Now let's see how much of a leakage we've got.
Oh, I don't want to see that.
That is gross. That's gross. Let's hope.
That's like dead fish.
Let's hope it's in here. The blockage. There's a bit of water in there. All right, you got that?
Yeah, I got it.
Cool. I'll grab the bucket.
You're getting the pipe all dirty.
It's alright, you're going to clean it after I'm done.
I am.
Yep.
But it's not my problem.
Yeah, I'm making it your problem.
Why?
Because that's the sort of dad I am. Ooh.
What?
Oh! Do you know what we should be doing?
What?
All the grit and gravel that's in here, we should be putting it in a gold pan.
Why?
Because I've washed stuff there and gold could have got down the sink. And if it did, it would have collected here. It's possible!
Where's your gold pan?
Outside.
Go get it.
Alright. Let's go, Bill. Let's go. So we'll just get some water in the tub so I can pan into it. What I want to do is gently wash that out.
It doesn't want to come out.
No, it doesn't. And there's a good reason for that.
Why?
Look at the wax.
Ugh.
That is a solid plug of wax. So I've managed to push it down.
Oh, that is annoying.
But that's actually going to take some effort to get out. I'm going to need something long and pokey. And let's have a look at what is on the bottom of the pan. Which does include a surprising amount of gravel.
What?
Look at all that gold!
Oh my goodness.
Look at all that gold! Let's bring it over here where I can sit down.
Oh yeah.
But look at all that gold. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
What else we got? We got a nail.
We got another nail.
And we've got a watch spring. A watch band spring. And that looks like...
Oh my goodness, look at all that gold.
That could be lead. Lead. Is that a sapphire?
Can I have the sapphire?
No, it's not. Embarrassingly, that is one of my better pans for some months.
Why?
Because that's a fair bit of gold. Hey Sarah, come out and have a look at this.
You've been gold panning.
Yep.
You didn't gold pan all the muck from the sink, did you?
Yep.
You did.
And look.
Oh, that's hilarious. How much muck was caught in there?
A lot.
A lot.
Look at that little piece. That is really pretty.
That's
Hey?
so good.
Little chunky bit. Now, I've been thinking about this, and I've now got this vague memory of one of the kids opening one of my sulfur bottles in the sink. And so that could explain why a reasonable amount of that gold is there. Of course, if that is the case, it means I've lost a fair bit because a lot of that gold wasn't, big, chunky stuff, but it wasn't super fine flour gold either. So I think a lot of that just got carried through. So yeah, like if you are a prospector and you've ever, cleaned any of your concentrates in the sink at home, maybe this is a good time for you to clean the sink, check that S-bend, see what's there. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.